Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit video in DJI Fly app. So I will assume that you already uh, get the video out of your DJI drone and you have successfully uploaded to your album. If you didn't do that, you can check previous video about that, how to do that. Now I will assume that you have. So yeah, let's start here in editor. Now, as you can see, you can use templates here, highlights, specials. This is really quick editing style. But if you want more professional way and to have more tools to adjust however you want, you will do here if you click on new project here at the top left corner. Click on that. Now you will select the video or more videos if you want uh, to make a story out of it. All right, so now here, as you can see, we have bunch of settings. So now we have with this red line around the video is it means that it's this video selected. Because of that, you will see this first bottom line here with the tools to adjust the video. So we can cut, change volume, change speed, copy, or reverse the video. Then the second line at the bottom, you will see edit music, filter, effects, and then text, and also the stickers. So what that does mean is that let's say DJ we can put some stickers in right here, for example. So we can add stuff. We can add music. So yeah, as you can see, I added the music right over here. All right. Then what we can also do, we can add the background music. As you can see, you can choose from this music library on the app. What else we can do is we can put some filters on the video if we want. I have here color collection, so you have for every drone you have color recovery right here if you film in D-Lock. So this is really cool stuff. So let's, for example, put here color recovery, D-Lock, and apply. Now you can see it's working, and you can now put also some filter on top of that. Now we can add music, so it doesn't matter which one we will put right in this moment because it's just to show you how you can edit. As you can saw before, you can see here in this middle icon effects, so you can use effects. You can put in some uh, a drone voice, some sea noise, and so on. Effects, it's basically transition, zoom out, zoom in, focus, transition, soft light, and so on. Basically, if you don't want that, you can skip that. Then we can add some text, add some text effects or some stickers. And when you are done and happy with your video, what you can do, just simply here at the top right corner, click on export, and it will start exporting the video to your mobile uh, app, gallery, and you will have it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.